Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we want to talk about coordinate conversion and coordinate transformation. That is, we're going to be converting coordinates from one point to another and also transforming coordinates from one ellipsoid to another. Now, before we go into the practical section, coordinate conversion is the process of changing the format of a coordinate system within the same geometric data. For example, I want to convert from longitude and latitude to UTM on the same ellipsoid, that is WGS84. Any conversion I'm doing on the same datum is called coordinate conversion. For example, I have latitude 4.3562588 and longitude this. It is on WGS84 definitely. If I try to convert it to UTM or space rectangular or Cartesian coordinate system on the same WGS84 ellipsoid, then it is called coordinate conversion. Now, what is coordinate transformation? Is the process of changing coordinates from one datum to another, changing the coordinate from one datum to another. For example, I want to transform from UTM WGS84 to UTM plus 1880. Then that's coordinate transformation. We all know that WGS84 is a reference ellipsoid and also plus 1880 is another reference ellipsoid. So transforming a coordinate from that point to transforming coordinate of a point on plus 1880 to WGS84 is coordinate transformation, not really conversion. So we're still our converting, we're converting on the same datum. For transformation, we are leaving one datum to another datum. One is simpler and one is a bit hard. The coordinate transformation is a bit hard because it involves transformation parameters and shift parameters and rotational parameters. And the most common one we use are the Helmert transformation. We have the Bossawum and all that one. So we have other abilities going into the practical section now. On the practical section, I'm going to be using Golden Surfer software or simply Surfer. That's the coordinate we are going to be using to convert and to transform our coordinates. So I'm going to go to my desktop. So I'm going to go to my desktop and search for Surfer. It's already installed on my PC. After launching, I can close it from here or I can open new worksheet. In the case maybe if I'm going to close it. What I want to do is I want to bring in a set of coordinates that I've already prepared. I have my coordinates here already prepared. This coordinate, this is in plus 1880, UTM plus 1880, and I want to transform to WGS84 on the same UTM zone, that is zone 31. So I'm going to transform from plus 1880 to WGS84, that is coordinate transformation. So I'm going to come here. I can open my worksheet from here, or I can come to File, Open on Worksheet. So I'm going to select my coordinate. It is first coordinate here. Select it. Now I'm going to open it. I'm going to open it. Okay. And these are my coordinates. So the first thing I want to do is I want to assign the coordinate system to this. I want my software to know that this is in plus 1880. And I'm going to do that by coming to assign coordinate system. So in this assign coordinate system, I'm going to select projected. I'm going to come to use event. Try it here on East Africa. Then I'm going to start from Nigeria. After Nigeria, I'm going to see Minna ETM 31. This Minna ETM 31 is the plus 1880 we're talking about. I think this ETM is on plus 1880 ellipsoid. And if you look at it here, you should be able to see plus 1880 ellipsoid here. You can see plus 1880 RBS. And that's the ellipsoid for this coordinate. So I'm going to OK it. And that means I've assigned plus 1880 to this set of coordinates. Now I'm going to project it to WGS84, which is my preferred one for now. I'm going to come to new coordinate system. I'm going to, if I don't change it like this, if I just press OK, they are still on the same coordinate system here. So I'm going to first change the coordinate, target coordinate system here. From there, I'm going to go back to UTM and I'm going to come to WGS84 and I'm going to UTM zone 31. See here, I want to okay it. This is where I'm going. Now, the target columns now, where will my projected coordinate system, where will they be? My target coordinate, where will they be? It's saying that target columns X and Y. Now, before we do that, we need to first know that the source column needs to correspond. The X is the distance coordinate and the Y is the reference coordinate. For this one, the X is in column C, so I'm going to change it to column C, and the Y is in column B, which is correct here. Now, my target coordinate is there. My target columns now, I want it to be nothing's fault also, and it is I'm going to change the distance to F. So the Y is E and the F is F. When I press OK now, it's going to give what we have to do, which is transform the coordinates. Now, here is the transform coordinate system. I can copy it like this. I'm going to paste it anywhere I want. Now, this is my transform coordinate system. So, this is how to transform. Now, we want to talk about coordinate conversion. That means we're converting a coordinate from one form to another on the same ellipsoid. So I'm going to come to File again. I'm going to open a worksheet. Then this my coordinate CSV1 is what I want to use. I'm going to open it. And this is my latitude. This is my longitude. These are my latitude and these are my longitude. So I'm going to come to assign coordinate system. So I'm going to go down here and get to WGS84, which is what genetic system 1984. So this is the ellipsoid. Also, this is the datum. I want to select OK, and I want to convert it. Where am I converting it? I'm going to convert it to UTM on the same ellipsoid. So the source ellipsoid is this now, not this. I'm going to change it here. It is WGS84 here. WGS84. Okay. My X here, which is my longitude, is column B. So column B, and my Y, which is my latitude, is in column C. So then on my final answer, I want my distance to be my column D, my column E, and my nothing to be column D. So where is it going? It's going to, so I'm going to come back here, this T1 WS84. Okay, now this is the same with WS84, WS84. I'm going to click OK now. These are to convert coordinates from one form to another on the same datum or on the same ellipsoid. Thank you.